Hi friends, this is Vivek from Gadget Guide for you, and in today's video I am sharing first impressions I had with Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge Plus. Samsung launched the Galaxy S6 Plus in India at a price tag of Rs 57,900 and it is available starting August 28th. The pay booking starts from tomorrow, that is 20 August, and in pay booking you will get some offers like Airtel double data offer on 4G recharge, a wireless charger, and skin replacement guarantee for 1 year, and it is a one-time replacement. And you will, if you purchase this phone on EMI, you will get interest free on those EMI, and there will be no charging on EMI. So better you can pre-book this smartphone as soon as possible. On the specifications front, it features 5.7 H Quad HD Super AMOLED display with a resolution of 2560 by 1440 pixels. The resolutions are pretty good and you will never find any problem while reading the content in direct sunlight. Apart from a display, there is a sensor for charging and discharging, nearby ambient and proximity sensor, speaker grill, and 5 megapixel front camera. There is a Samsung branding above the display. Below the display there is a home button with usual back and applications button, but they are LED buttons, as you can see. Clicking on the app door gives access to all the applications available on a smartphone. It is a dual edge smartphone and beautifully crafted. Just clicking on the arrow which you saw in this video will give you access to connect the choose the 5 people of applications which you use every time. On the front it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 4. At the back it is 13 megapixel camera with LED flash. There is a Samsung branding, and at the back there is also Corning Gorilla Glass 4. On the right hand side it is power button. On the left hand side there is a volume rocker button. At the top it has SIM card slot and a mic. At the bottom it has a speaker, micro USB slot for charging, a mic, and 3.5 audio jack. It has round edges and they are beautifully crafted. Even though it's a dual edge phone, it is 6.9 thin. Clicking on the notification toggle panel gives you access to few settings, and the device runs on Android 5.5.1 Lollipop, and you can see the software version in it. It has 4 GB of RAM and 32 GB inbuilt memory. The 4 GB RAM allows you to access all the applications pretty quickly, and you will not find any lag while opening and closing the multiple application. Out of 32 GB space, only 24.25 GB is available space, out of which 6.95 GB is consumed by system memory. It is powered by octa-core 64-bit processor, so that the you will do not come find any processing speeds in terms of while using the phone. See, you can see the number of applications are already open, and I haven't found any problem while using the phone, and there is no lag while opening and closing the applications. It packs 3000 mAh battery, and it comes with quick charging technology. On wireless charger, the full battery charges on in 2 hours, and if you use a cable it will take around 90 minutes. So If you have little bit of time, you can easily charge the phone in pretty less time and you use the phone on the go. The build quality of the Samsung Galaxy S6 Plus is definitely a masterpiece, and you can easily buy the device on 28 August. Thanks for watching this video. Do not forget to share this video with your friends.